Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to star files in Google Drive using Google Workspace for Business. Starring is super helpful when you need fast access to important documents. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, first thing, go ahead and sign in to your Google Workspace account. Make sure you're using your work or business email, not your personal Gmail. Once you're logged in, head over to Google Drive. Next, just find the file or folder you want to star. You can scroll through My Drive, shared with me, or use the search bar at the top. This works the same for docs, sheets, PDFs, folders, basically anything you store in Drive. Now, to star the file, right-click on it. Yeah, just like that. And choose Add to Starred. If you're on mobile, tap the three-dot menu and hit Star. It's really that simple. And then whenever you need those important files, you can open them super fast. Just click the starred section on the left sidebar. Everything you starred is organized right there in one place. If you ever change your mind, no worries. Just right-click the file again and choose Remove from Starred. It won't delete the file, it only removes the shortcut. And that's pretty much it. Starring files in Google Drive is a simple way to keep your important stuff one click away. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Workspace guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.